the outside. You try to podcast around the outside, round the outside, round the outside.
Guess who's back? Back again. Rap is back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Da da dum 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 da da dum 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 dum. I created a monster 'cause nobody wants to see rich and the more they want rap, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want rap, this is what I give you. A little bit of weird mix with some hot niggas. Some vodka that you jump start my heart quicker than a shot when I get shot at the hospital. But I thought that when I'm not cooperating while I'm rocking the table while he's operating. You waited this long, now stop debating 'cause I'm back, I'm on the rag and ovulating. I know that you got a job that's shady, but your husband's heart problem's complicated. So the FCC won't let me be or let me be me, so let me see. You're trying to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on and dip, come on your lips, fuck that, come on your lips and some on your chips and get ready. 'Cause this shit's about to get heavy, I just settled on my lawsuits, fuck you get it. No